In this video, I will show you how to connect your AV cable, just like this one over here, to your 5-port TV. Now, as you can see over here, my AV cable actually has 3 cables combined in one, and obviously it can be confusing connecting these 3 cables to the 5 ports with different colors on your TV. So quickly, I will show you how to connect your decoder or your DVD player with an AV cable with just 3 cables, just like this one, to your 5-port TV. Now, first things first, you want to go ahead and connect one end of your AV cable to your AV device. And basically, this is my AV device over here. So I'll go ahead and connect the yellow to the yellow AV port on my AV device, which is actually for video, just like so. And then go ahead and connect the red to the red AV port, which is actually for audio right. And then go ahead and connect the white as well, which is actually for audio left. Now, once this is done, you want to come over to the back of your TV. Now, at the back of the TV, you want to make sure you connect the yellow AV cable to the yellow port on the TV. Now, usually this particular port is labeled video, so go ahead and make sure you actually connect it to the yellow port that is labeled video. Usually it is also the only yellow port you're going to find on the TV. Now, take the white AV cable and then connect it to the white audio L port on the TV. You can literally see that these 2 last ports over here, which are white and red, are labeled audio L and audio R, which is basically audio left and audio right. So make sure you connect the white to the audio L, which is basically audio left, and then the red at the bottom to the audio right, as you can see. Now, you might be asking why we had to skip the 2 ports that are actually here, which are actually the blue and the red ports. But basically, these ports are component ports, and we do not have anything to do with that in this particular video. And finally, once all of this connection is done, you want to go ahead and change the input source of your TV to AV. So in my case, I am basically using a Samsung Smart TV over here, and in my remote control, I basically have the input source button at the top right corner of the remote control. So I'll go ahead and press on that particular button. Now just scroll over to where you have AV, and then select AV, and automatically your AV device will be connected to the TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.